MAKAZVIRONGA SEI KUNDIPA CHIDHAKWA CHEMURUME
MAKAZVIRONGA SEI
KUNDIPA CHIDHAKWA CHEMURUME
ndatarisa denga
ndikashaya mhinduro
MAKAZVIRONGA SEI
KUNDIPA CHIDHAKWA CHEMURUME
Promises holding the rope. The vows were spoken in the house of the Lord, but now my reality is a sharp rusted sword. He comes home late with the smell of the grain. My sanctuary is flooded with shadows and pain. I pray for a harvest, for a change in the season, but I'm drowning in questions, losing my reason.
MAKAZVIRONGA SEI KUNDIPA CHIDHAKWA CHEMURUME
MAKAZVIRONGA SEI
KUNDIPA CHIDHAKWA CHEMURUME
ndatarisa denga
ndikashaya mhinduro
MAKAZVIRONGA SEI
KUNDIPA CHIDHAKWA CHEMURUME.
Is this the cross that you asked me to bear, or is silence the answer to my desperate prayer? I scrub away memories of nights left alone while the walls of our house have become cold as stone. I see other families, the laughter, the grace. Why is the tear so permanent on my face? I try to be virtuous, to walk in the light, but my partner is lost in the dead of the night. Oh, mighty one,
My God.
see my breaking heart. I feel like the seams are tearing apart. Is it a lesson, a test of my faith, or am I just walking through a spiritual wraith? I don't want to judge, I don't want to blame, but my spirit is weary calling your name. MAKAZVIRONGA SEI
KUNDIPA CHIDHAKWA CHEMURUME
MAKAZVIRONGA SEI
KUNDIPA CHIDHAKWA CHEMURUME
ndakatarisa denga
ndikashaya mhinduro
MAKAZVIRONGA SEI
KUNDIPA CHIDHAKWA CHEMURUME.
I cling to your word when the battle is near, when the shouting starts and the air turns to fear. I am seeking a miracle, a turn in the tide. Lord, be the husband that stands by my side when the world says leave. I remember the oath, but the cycle of poison is killing us both.